In this video, we'll show how you can add and customize an image slider block to your WordPress website, using responsive Elementor add-ons. Using this block, you can create a fully responsive and smooth image slideshow of your products, services, or clients. Before getting started, you need to make sure that you have responsive Elementor add-ons installed and activated on your website. Check out the link in the description below to find out how to install it. So, let's get started. On your WordPress dashboard, open a page or a post, and click on Edit with Elementor. You will see this screen. On the left panel, you will see all the responsive Elementor widgets with an ARIA prefix. Look for the ARIA slider. Click and drag the widget to the content area. By default, you will see this screen. Check the ARIA slider customizer on the left panel. Click on slide 1 to view the customizer options. You can set the slider background as an image, or a solid color using this option. You can also choose to add an overlay to the image, choose a blend mode, or add an effect. Click on the Content tab to add the content on the slider. Here, you can enter the CTA button text and link. You can add more slides, and customize them using similar steps. Next, under the ARIA slider option, you can customize the settings of the ARIA slider, like choose to autoplay, pause on hover, set autoplay speed, and more. You can also choose animation and transition style based on your choice. Now, let's check out the Style tab. Here you can set the style of the content, title, description, buttons, and navigation styles as well. Under the Advanced tab, you can set the padding, margin, and add motion effects. You can also choose the background color to be solid or gradient. Once you are done with all the changes, click on the Update button. Let's check the final output. So, this is how you can create and customize an image slider block, using responsive Elementor add-ons. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video.